Choosing a career in the field of cybersecurity is a little bit confusing because to become a security expert doesn't define who you are, but the career and the task that you perform, and also the income that you get. Cybersecurity is a very broad security system that has many careers, but let's take a very good look at the top 6 career in cybersecurity. So before we get into the video, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more videos like this. I'm Koscyber. So let's take a very good look at the first career in cybersecurity, which is Chief Information Security Officer (CISO). Chief Information Security Officer (CISO) is the one who is typically in the mid-executive level position, and his job is to oversee all the general operations of a company or an organization's IT division. He has a salary of $235,262, and his salary based on the bigger the organization, the bigger the paycheck. Number 2 is Forensic Computer Analysis. They are the detective in the world of cybersecurity, and their job is to review the computer-based information for evidence following a security breach or incidents, and they have the average salary of $75,262. So if you are interested, just go straight for it. And the number 3 is Information Security Analysis. Information Security Analysis, the ISA, they are responsible for the protection of organizations, computer system and network. They plan and execute programs, and their measures include installing and using software for data encryption and firewalls. They have the average salary of $102,600. This price is very, very cool. You can join and make a huge amount of money. And the career for which is Penetration Tester. A penetration tester uses testing techniques with an authorization to hack into computers and network systems with the motive of discovering operating system vulnerability, service and application problems, improper configuration, and many more, before the outside intruders have the opportunity to cause the rare damage. Penetration tester has the average salary of $101,662. Number 5 is Security Architect. They are responsible for the maintenance and establishing of network security for their organization. Security architects mostly work in all sectors of the economy for companies, government agencies, and non-profit organizations. They have the average salary of $172,265. So this is also a cool career that you can get into in the field of cybersecurity. Next, the number 6, which is the last one, is IT Security Engineer. IT Security Engineers are often involved in system maintenance and performing security checks to identify potential vulnerabilities, as well as they keep logs and develop automation scripts to track any form of security incident. They have the average salary of $113,173. So this is the end of the video. So do well to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more videos like this. And I'm Koscyber, as always.